Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme on your Huawei P30 Lite, let's move to the settings, scroll down and enter System, Language and Input. Click on your currently set up keyboard. In our case, this is SwiftK keyboard. Click Not Now, enter Themes, and as you can see, we have to connect to the Wi-Fi. And right now we can go back, click on Retry, and here we have a lot of themes that you can set up. Also you can custom, and also there is the yours. So that means that this one you have to download, and this one are just downloaded on the smartphone. So I'll pick up the Lite, and this is how you change it on the Huawei P30 Lite. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel.